This video will take you through an O2I4 series setup when more than 28 bytes of BioLink code data needs to be read back to any PLC. It briefly touches on the data structure, setup and vision assistant for the O2I4, and provides a PLC example. Each scan of IO-Link data back through an AL master has these 4 bytes of overhead and then contains 28 bytes of code data. If your code is longer than 28 bytes, the O2I4 needs to have segmentation mode activated first. With the O2I4 connected in Vision Assistant, select Device Setup. Select OK. Select Interfaces. Turn on IO-Link segmentation enabled. Note here that the IO-Link hold time refers to how long each segmented is presented over IO-Link before the next 28 bytes of code are available. For this example, you should start with the max of 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. Select the Save icon. You may disconnect from the O2I4 or select the Monitor tab so the PLC can trigger the application again. Before reviewing the PLC, here's a quick refresh on the IO-Link output data map. The command value and the segment counter bytes are what you need to keep track of here. In the sample code, the command byte can be used to trigger an exposure and help us better understand the functionality. I'm going to trigger our O2I4, and every 2 seconds, you'll see more of our code. There's our first section, our second section, and our last section of the code. Let's review each one of these individual updates. Notice that the segment counter byte initially responds with 2 to indicate that 2 more responses are on their way, then 1, and finally 0. Each section of code should be copied to an array, database, or user-defined data type. Once the segment counter is 0, you know that the O2I4 is ready for the next trigger. When the segments are combined, you can see that it matches the code found in Vision Assistant. This was a brief overview of using the O2I4 segmentation function with IO-Link. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.